In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, dear students, we are going to do exercise of unit number 4, page number 20. Practice this conversation around the class. A is a little deaf. He cannot hear well. A थोड़ा सा deaf है और वो अच्छी तरह से सुन नहीं सकता. So that A asks question 3 times and B has to answer these questions. A. What had happened? What has happened? Jamil has climbed the tree. What has he done? He has climbed the tree. Who has climbed the tree? Jamil has. What has happened? क्या हुआ था? Jamil has climbed the tree. Jamil ट्री पे चढ़ा था. What has he done? उसने क्या किया था? He has climbed the tree. वो ट्री पे चढ़ा था. Who has climbed the tree? ट्री पे कौन चढ़ा था? Jamil has. Now use the words in exercise 4. The next conversation could begin. What has happened? Uzma has cleaned the window. What has she done? She has cleaned the window. Who has cleaned the window? Uzma has. Dear students, आपने वर्ड्स जो एक्सरसाइज 4 में आपको दिए गए हैं उनको यूज़ करना है और इसी तरह आपने क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं और उनके आंसर्स देने हैं. What has happened? Nasir has pulled the rope. What has he done? He has pulled the rope. Who has pulled the rope? Nasir has. What has happened? Shan has filled the bottle. What has he done? He has filled the bottle. Who has filled the bottle? Shan has. Like this, we make more questions and answers. What has happened? Zaib has borrowed a pen. What has she done? She has borrowed a pen. Who has borrowed a pen? Zaib has. What has happened? Nadia has finished the book. What has she done? She has finished the book. Who has finished the book? Nadia has. What has happened? Ali has kicked the ball. What has he done? He has kicked the ball. Who has kicked the ball? Ali has. What has happened? Mrs. Riaz has washed the socks. What has she done? She has washed the socks. Who has washed the socks? Mrs. Riaz has. What has happened? Mr. Riaz has helped his father. What has he done? He has helped his father. Who has helped his father? Mr. Riaz has. Dear students, practice it orally and write on your copies.